At what point or points is the tangent line horizontal for g of x equals 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 12x minus 4? A horizontal line has a slope of 0. The slope of the tangent line is the derivative. We want the tangent line to have a slope of 0 to be horizontal, so we're going to take the derivative and set it equal to 0. Our g of x is 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 12x minus 4. The derivative will be power rule for the first term, 6x squared, power rule for the second term, 6x. Constant times x will be the constant, and then the constant with no x's will be a 0. This represents the slope of the tangent line at any x value. We want to find where we have horizontal tangents, so we want the slope to be a 0. We set this derivative equal to 0. We have a trinomial quadratic. We're going to need to factor it. We have a common factor of 6. Let's factor that out, and that will leave x squared plus x minus 2. And that equals 0. We can factor that further by trinomial factoring. We need two numbers that multiply to be a negative 2 and add to be a positive 1. It sounds like a positive 2 and a negative 1 will take care of that. And that means we have x coordinates of negative 2 and positive 1. Now we want the points, therefore we want the corresponding y coordinates. And that will be found by taking each x coordinate and plugging it into the function to find the corresponding y coordinate. So the y for x equals negative 2 will be g of negative 2. 2 times negative 2 cubed plus 3 times negative 2 squared minus 12 times negative 2 and then minus 4. 2 times negative 2 cubed is negative 2 times negative 2. It's positive 4. Another negative 2 will make it negative 8. Plus 3 times negative 2 squared is a positive 4. A negative 12 times a negative 2 is a positive 24. And then minus 4. So 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. 3 times 4 is a 12. And then 24 minus 4 is a 20. Minus 16 plus 12 is a minus 4. And then plus 20 gives us a 16. So that means I'm coming out with the point negative 2, comma 16. We also have a second point that will have a horizontal tangent, and that's x equals 1. Let's find the corresponding y coordinate by plugging that into the function, g of 1. 2 times 1 cubed plus 3 times 1 squared minus 12 times 1 minus 4. 1 cubed is 1. 1 squared is 1. Minus 12 times 1 is minus 12, and then minus 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 12 minus 4 is minus 16. 2 plus 3 is a 5 minus a 16, which is a negative 11. And so we're also getting the point 1 comma negative 11. And there's our 2 points where the tangent line to the function will be horizontal.